Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, Prime Minister Andrew Holness has hit back at the opposition for claiming the pre-charge detention is their idea.
He was speaking at a tour of the Area 4 Police Division ahead of the expiration of the states of emergency.
Now, as Sandy Williams reports, the government is also accusing the opposition of emboldening criminals.
The opposition has suggested the use of pre-charge detentions as alternatives to states of emergency. Opposition leader Mark Golding says this option would target the over 300 violence producers identified by the police commissioner some time ago. But Prime Minister Andrew Holness claims his government had proposed a similar measure in 2019. However,
it was rejected in Parliament, totally rejected in Parliament by the opposition. But now they come to say that, yes, they are proposing it. Now, aside from the plagiarism, the obvious plagiarism, which is being perpetrated by the leader of the opposition, one has to wonder, what is the motive?
Minister of Legal and Constitutional Affairs Marlene Malahoo Fort is accusing the opposition of emboldening criminals.
And we made a proposal in keeping with express provisions of the Constitution. Section 14, 1F, 1 and 2. That deals with arrest and detention in respect of persons who are suspected of committing crimes, and also the preventive detention side, where it's reasonably necessary to detain or arrest for the purpose of preventing crime. And here we are today.
During a tour of the Area 4 Police Division on Monday, Mr. Holness said the government is considering a new state of emergency. In the meantime, he has dismissed the opposition's claim that they did not receive the draft regulations for the SOE to review until days later.
Whatever challenges that he may still have are subject to the policy decision of the executive. But the leader of the opposition is saying that if he doesn't get a set of regulations that meets his political objectives, then he will not cooperate with the government.
Sandy Williams, TVJ News.